together, side by side. We are Fiji. Let's put our differences behind.
Nama tanitu, raciu-ciu na turang na President. Wa bunisa talitunga ina bonua, kumbuna, wana bunisa na bonivala tu kama.
Kamnanga e damu waturanga talchanga mai na vanua. Na lotu, matintu. Namu ni nila waturanga. Turanga marama mai damu balata sa chuna matanua. Kamnanga e damu waturanga chuna tutu koi liu. Inanda vanua viti. Matintu vanua na lotu. Vanua ai kumbuna buana ngoni turanga na vanua. Turanga tu kama. E murmasanga. Wana ngon marambal na rutu yung rikit turang wal ina matintu bekani kanga na to samay din komis tiyo na kamunanga na mutani ko na wawim nak na walew na bayu kawitaki na walew na numuni muri tiyo ka na nday waraw papanua may samay di may tataw tiyo ka na mutani ko muni naman. Laveti kilangin nam ni kamnanga, ay so mucho umay na biwa kalong ataki. Ino na kalong bulo chow. Ni kalong atachu ko na leo ni tim. Dora bo ngo na lawa. No muni chu nanganga, tawak kalu chum nangabi chow na bulo. On behalf of government, the Prime Minister, the members of cabinet, parliament, the chiefs and the people of Fiji, it is my pleasant duty this morning, first of all, to thank you for the traditional ceremony of iTatau. We are so happy to see that the young generation of today still treasure and value the way we do things here in Fiji. That is why our beloved nation is unique right throughout the world, because we have traditions. It is something which I hope that future generations of sportsmen and women will continue to cherish and treasure. On behalf of all Fijians, we wish you well. And before I go any further, our belated congratulations to the Fijiana team for your success in New Zealand last week. I was watching most of your games. Well done. It is the spirit of teamwork. It is the pride in which you play the game, which we are proud of. I have no doubt that it's the same spirit in which the boys have been playing over the years, and again, our congratulations for our men's sevens team, because we are the world champions. Now, as we work towards Rio next year, our prayers and our good wishes go with you all. And we will pray that Almighty God will guide you safely to wherever you're going to be playing within the next couple of months as we work towards the Olympic Games next year. To the Dubai Sevens in a couple of days' time, I have no doubt that you will come back triumphant. Now, on that note, thank you once again, one and all, for coming in this morning. It's so good to see you personally after all this time. Now, it's my pleasant duty on behalf of the staff here and government to welcome you to State House, and once again, thank you for presenting the iTatau. And as I said before, our prayers and good wishes go with you, and may Almighty God guide and strengthen you in the next couple of days, and certainly as we work towards Rio next year. Ni maniti kona turanga na velitaki ni daro manala may dota ng was ni babim naka sa may batan kenlem na.
Now is the time for all to see that we can live in
together, side by side. We are Fiji.
Let's put our differences behind us. We can do it if we try.
Let's start tearing down the walls and change the way we look at life.
Be shining the light in the hope that our children will follow. Now is the time to believe.
We can be the way the world should be. We can shine our light for the world to see. Fiji, ever Fiji, let our voices ring with pride. For Fiji, ever Fiji, her name is far and wide, a land of freedom, hope and glory, to a new world ever before. May God bless Fiji
प्रेम शांति बहाते चलो.
People everywhere in the islands of Fiji come together under God as one in unity. Yes, we'll begin